you seen these black? Some idiot put on the fire alarm in their school, and now literally everyone outside because this big fat idiot did this. He's a douchebag. I know, he's a douchebag. Hey Joe, where are you? You big fat douchebag? Oh, I see him. Okay. I'm here. Guys, you know that there wasn't actually fire, right? Joe just turned on the fire alarm.
What?
Yeah?
It's not an actual...
No. Joe turned on the fire alarm.
Yeah.
You're on YouTube right now.
Well, hi.
It's a YouTube video. Yeah, she waved hi. I gotta head home before my sister comes. So, that idiot should get arrested because now the fire department's gonna come. Because our alarm, he's not black. We're just waiting for the freaking fire to come. I don't think they're coming though. Joe is an idiot though. That's true. He's a bully at our school. No, no. It's not. It's still somewhat family friendly. You know what? You can say that because some kids don't know what it is.
Yay!
But you can't say the F word because people don't know what that is.
Frick you.
Okay, yeah, that one can say.
Yay!
Yeah. No, I will punch you. So, I think they called them and said that there wasn't a real alarm.
And he's black. That's the biggest part of this.
He's not black. He's freaking white.
I'm racist and he's a nigger.
All the teachers outside. They blew the announcement. They said on the announcements that some idiot blew the fire alarm. Yeah, they didn't say that. They said that someone blew the fire alarm. It's not a real fire. Please go back to your class and get ready to go home.
And they said the guy that did it is called Joe. Black and Nick.
No, he's not black.
He's black.
Your mom's black.
He isn't.
You're black. You're blackish white.
I'm not. I'm brown.
Yeah, you're turd brown.
You're kind of brown like me.
No, I'm pale. Am I not pale? Okay, look, I'm pale. He's black. Do you see the difference? You guys are dying! He smacked you on the ground! There's snow on you. Just rub all your nose off and it will become clean. There. It's almost clean. There. You guys are clean. Did you rub your face? Because if you did, then you're probably not clean.
I'm not black. Liam is black.
I'm going to see what happens if the snow goes in the camera. What does it look like through snow? What does snow look like? This is what snow looks like!
What?
This, look, you can see the faces? Because it's looking at snow. That's our reflection, but then when you do that, yay, here we are! Tad saw it, we were still there, but that was just a reflection, because he's an idiot!
I'm not an idiot. He's black and mad.
Ooh, let's film Tommy getting mad. Tommy's the biggest beefus in our school. There he is. Tommy. You were on the interview on YouTube.
My mind is blown.
There's snow on my freaking.
Seriously, that's on YouTube?
Yeah.
You're gonna upload it today.
It'll probably be uploaded by tonight.
Okay. What are you gonna call the video?
Probably. I make a series of vlogs called school vlogs. This is my second one.
This is your first one?
My second. I'm going to name it Very Special Interview with Tommy.
No, after the very first interview with Tommy. And also do a dash that says and you.
Okay, green. I gotta get to my turn. Way up, Taz. Oh, go pee. Go pee. The label is now going to be called Very Special Interview with.
With Tommy.
I'm not going to say Tommy because.
And don't forget to put a dash and a leafy.
Okay.
Put the dash on the computer and then use the words and leafy.
Okay, I'll try to. I'm probably not going to put Leafy. I'm not going to put their names. I'm not going to put Tommy or Leafy. I'm not trying to make him mad like we planned to do. But I know, I recorded on YouTube.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, you said it was YouTube.
I'm doing the video right now. The video is still going on. I was thinking about doing a video anyways. It's been going on for 7 minutes.
So it ended.
No, the time's still going.
You stick to 6, 7, that's the one.
No, I'm not going to name it Very Special Interview. I'm going to call it some.
Nothing top on there.
I'm going to name
You
it.
see that the big ones on there?
Mm?
The top things on there? Those are security big ones.
Okay, so I'm going to name the. So the slash part is going to be the fire alarm gone. But the fire alarm gone by some kid.
His name is Joe.
No, his name is Joe Swanson. Family Guy reference. In spring, during summer, me and my friends found a new type of bug. We called it the Niggersaurus. It was a giant beetle, so we called him the Niggersaurus. Yes, and green.
The Niggersaurus here. Back out, nigger, what's that line?
Yeah.
You're just like the weed guy. That was just Jimmy, Jimmy Gragg, who just talked like an idiot. You have to tell people about your account before you get subscribers.
I tried it. No, I'm going to wait until those 90 days are over to change my account name. So, while you guys are waiting, I'm thinking about it being called the Nice Nerd. That's my Roblox username. Kaz, you could have died. My friend almost died. Because people are just like, what the hell is this kid doing on his iPad while he's crossing the road? I'll tell you what I'm doing. Oh, here's the slide that we made. Here's the slide all the kids on their block made. The kids on their block. Go down! Go down the slide.
You run down it. Not slide. You run.
Go down the slide. Okay, guys. It's my turn. Yeah. I almost died. Hopefully you guys saw that.
Yeah, just like this.
Because I want a Logan Paul experience with you jumping off a roof. Yeah, the Paul brothers are dying.
My brother is Logan Paul, the one of Logan Paul's friend.
Let's just sit. And my butt's too big. Hi. Jess! Ah! I'm dying! I think I'm dying. I go. You guys are upside down. Wham. Okay, now you're right side up. I died. Taz is gone. You can see her just a little left of me. Now you just turn around the corner. I'm sad that we didn't get to interview him, but next time I see him, I want to interview him. Also, I have a shout out for some guy today. His name is Dan TDM. Yep, yep, the one, the only Dan TDM. Of course, now though, I'll never be shouting out Logan Paul Master. Why did I see Logan Paul Master? I'm shocked. She didn't know she was on YouTube. Okay. Oh my God! You know what's weird? When you talk, you hear your voice different, but then, like when you post video, like on YouTube or something, your voice is completely different. So when you post a video, that's how other people hear you. Either that or the audio is horrible. I gotta go. Bye guys. I've got to go, so bye bye. Have a good life.